What's good? I'm back again with another video, and today I'm gonna do a closet tour as well as the closet confidential tag. I asked you guys on Twitter which video you guys wanted to see first, and the winner actually was a closet tour, which was very surprising to me. I didn't know that people wanted to like see that. I've never done a closet tour before, so this is gonna be really exciting. We're gonna have some fun. There's gonna be some goulash, and yes, let's get started. All right, so now that I have my own apartment, I have like different areas throughout my whole apartment where I have like all my like clothes and stuff. So I just want to show you guys some of that real quick. And I don't want to show you guys my apartment yet just because I want it to be a surprise for when I do an apartment tour. But I have like a little wardrobe section over here. So basically what I have on this clothing rack is like all coats and jackets, just because these take up a lot of space and I don't have unlimited space in my closet. So I put all of like the heavy, thick coats and stuff outside. And then coming down here, I have all of my boots, some of my heels, and then I also have my favorite, what are these called again? Loafer mules. And then I also have like some other heels over here. This is right by the front door. This is actually a bookcase that I bought from IKEA for like 20 bucks, and I use it as a shoe rack because the shoe racks that they have at IKEA like don't hold that many shoes. So I was like, girl, this ain't gonna work for me. So I just went ahead and got a bookcase. Here are some of my Jordans. I have my Air Force Ones, some more Jordans, some Adidas shoes, and you know, things like that. I'll do a sneaker collection later on. If you guys want to see it, give this video a thumbs up or comment down below. But this is basically where I keep all of my sneakers. But yeah, so this is my filming room. It's a little messy because I just filmed a video, but you go into my bathroom and this is where my closet is. Let's go through my closet real quick. So over here, I have all of my jackets that aren't like big or like too heavy or that don't take up too much space. So I organize my entire closet by color just because the way that I put my outfits together are like very heavily influenced by the colors. So let's say that I put on white jeans, you know what I mean? And maybe I want to do like a all white outfit. So I would go here to the white section of my closet to get my white shirt or whatever. If you want to see a video of like a style with me video of like how I put outfits together, let me know in the comments down below because I think that's really interesting, intriguing idea. But so all of my like dark colored coats are right here, and then I have my denim jackets, and then I have, you know, some of my like colored jackets over here, and then I have my black dresses right here, and then I organize them by sleeve length or like fabric density. So the thicker the material, the more it goes to the left side of my closet, and then as the fabric gets a little bit lighter or loose or like it becomes like a crop top or whatever, those go on like the farther right side of my closet. And as you can see, these are like really light, loose fabrics and they don't have any sleeves. So that's the way that I organize my closet. So I organize by color, but also by like fabric density, length. Those are all like a part of the organization process for my closet. And then here I have all my white stuff, and then I organize color by, you know, the rainbows. So Roy G. Biv, so we have red, orange, green, blue, indigo, violet-ish. Coming down here, I still have like laundry that I'm doing, so not everything is down here. Like basically like dress pants and skirts are everything that's down here. And then I have all my bags right here. I need to figure out a way to organize these better, but for now that's what they're looking like. I have a lot of my denim like bottoms over here, and then if you go up here I have a little bit more of my denim bottoms. I usually like to do the KonMari way of folding it in thirds and then stacking it like next to each other, but I didn't really have the time to do it before I filmed this video. And then I have some of my sweatshirts, my hooded sweatshirts and crew necks are right here, and then I have all of my sweatpants. I have a faux fur right here. These are all of my sweaters that I have, and these are some other sweatshirts that I have. As you can see, I'm really super into jackets, sweaters, and sweatshirts. That's just my thing. Now I'm gonna do the closet confidential tag. All right, so question number 1 is, what is the oldest item in your wardrobe slash closet? So this one might be the oldest. I'm not completely sure. This is actually a vintage Adidas sweatshirt. Isn't that super cute? And based on the style and the color, I'm gonna say that this was made in the 80s, just because of like the collar and like this whole chevron shape situation and also the color. But it does seem like this is more of like a mid to late 80s kind of situation. So if that's the case, then that is not the oldest thing in my closet. It would actually be this. There's a really cool story to this jacket. This is actually a souvenir jacket. This used to be my dad's. He gave it to me, which is really cool. He actually got this made while he was stationed in Korea. As you can see, it says US Air Force right here, and it has like all the cool patches right here. And it's really cool because he's been to all 3 of these countries. He's been to Thailand, he's been to Hawaii. It says Lackland Air Force Base, which is where I believe he did basic training, because I think they do basic training there. And then his first assignment was Vandenberg. I think his second assignment was Osan in Korea, and then Clark Air Base, which is where my dad met my mom. I don't know, it's just like a really cool jacket. The reason why I think this is the oldest thing in my closet is because when my dad was stationed in Osan in Korea, that was like in the early 80s. So that's why I think this one is probably older than that vintage Adidas sweater. But super cool story, right? Question number 2, what is the newest item? I think the newest item is this faux fur coat by Topshop. I love it. It's the perfect cut. It just fits my body super well. What is the most expensive item? It has got to be my Saint Laurent sac de jour. That was pretty expensive. I think that was my first high luxury designer bag that I ever bought. I have it in the dust bag right now because I haven't used it in a while, but it is this bag. I still think it's cute. It's just, I don't know, I haven't used it lately. And then I got like this little furry heart thing. I think this is from Rebecca Minkoff actually. So I kind of put that on there because I think red and black look really good with each other. So this was my most expensive bag. What is the most affordable or cheapest item that I use a lot? I know that this is probably like a really boring answer, but I use all of my basic t-shirts a lot. So for example, this is my Uniqlo Supima cotton crew neck t-shirt. These things are only $10. I think Uniqlo is a really great store to buy like high quality basics because this is like Supima cotton. It fits like really well on the body. But yeah, these are probably like the cheapest items that I wear all the time. I know it's probably like a boring choice, but I'm just keeping it real, you know what I'm saying? But I do want to show you guys this. I bought this at H&M. Look how cute this is. This is like the perfect like going out top, or like if I have an event or something. Look how beautiful this is. This was literally $5 at H&M. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. What was the biggest bargain? I feel like most people answer this question with a designer piece, because usually if you can find a designer piece for cheaper, like that's a bargain. So I'm probably gonna go with this Moschino like sports bra. It was still like pricey obviously because it's Moschino, but I got this for like $60. And if you know Moschino clothing, $60 is literally nothing. Like I have paid more money for clothes at Zara, you know what I mean? I found this like a secondhand resale shop, and this was only $60, so that was pretty cool. I think that was a bargain. This was a steal for what it is. So I also wanted to mention these shoes. These are the Nike SF Air Force Ones, and I was trying to look for these last year. I was looking everywhere for them, but they were sold out literally everywhere and I couldn't find them. Also, these retail for like $180, but when I went to Texas over winter break, I actually found these at the Nike outlet for only $80. So that is literally more than half off. It's $100 off, and I think that's one of my I guess biggest bargain buys, other than that Moschino sports bra. Next question, what was the biggest waste of money? My biggest waste of money, I can say confidently, is my Louboutin Socates. I have literally never worn them a single time. I bought them 2 years ago. I've literally never worn them once. In fact, they're not even in my apartment right now. They're still at my dad's house. So that just goes to show you how much I don't use them. What are your 3 favorite items right now? Ooh. It's definitely my off-white bag, just because I've been using that every single day lately, like literally every single day. I bring that thing with me everywhere. I'm also gonna probably go with my faux fur coat that I bought at Topshop. I think it looks so chic. It's a really nice cut. And what would be my 3rd item that I'm really loving right now? Maybe like a pair of shoes. I really like my Air Jordan 1s lately. Jordan 1s are like one of my favorite silhouettes of Jordans. So yeah, I think I've been loving that lately. I've been wearing that a lot lately, so yeah. What is the most outrageous / colorful item in your closet that you absolutely love? So it's either these pants right here. I mean, I don't own anything like outrageously colorful, but these are pretty outrageous to me. These are like high-waisted sequin pants with like flared bottom. Like they're very 70s. So it's either gonna be this or it's going to be this all sequin jumpsuit that I wore to that Lancome Vogue party. So I got both of these from Revolve. But yeah, that's pretty much as outrageous as it's gonna get for me. What is your favorite piece that you've gotten as a gift? Oh, no, yeah, I have the perfect answer for that. So JanSport recently collaborated with Antisocial Social Club, and I've worked with JanSport back in, I think it was November. They took me to Complex Con, which was so amazing. That was one of my favorite collaborations because it was a mixture of art and style and culture. I just really loved being there with JanSport. And they sent me like a little Christmas gift, and it was their collaboration backpack and also like their belt bag with Antisocial Social Club. So I think it's so cute. It's pink. What I really like about this backpack is that it's really well made, and also they have a laptop sleeve in the back, so I can actually travel with this. I can put my laptop in it. I think this is like one of the coolest fashion gifts that I've received. So thank you so much, JanSport. Oh my god, my camera is about to die. Next question, what is the most comfortable item? If I'm gonna be honest, I really think my most comfortable item, I just got these yesterday. It's like a short sleeve, heather gray sweatshirt, like a crew neck sweatshirt, and then these sweatpants. Oh my god, these are so comfortable, you guys. I've never been in a sweatsuit like this that was this comfortable. This is from a brand called MF People. I don't know. This is like pretty comfortable. If we're gonna talk about like shoes, so there's like 2 shoes that are like super comfortable. So these Nike Huaraches, these are super comfortable. They're so lightweight. It feels like I'm walking on a cloud, like I'm walking on air. The only thing about the Huaraches is that they fit a full size small. So these actually don't fit me. I can't even wear these because they're too small, but even if they're too small, they're like super comfortable. And then another pair of shoes that I really like, these are like my running shoes that I've been using to like go to the gym lately. These are my Adidas Pure Boost ATRX all-terrain. What is the most uncomfortable item, but you would take the pain because you love it? I will say that this is pretty uncomfortable, but I think it's so cute. This is a dress that I got from Charlotte Russe. I think this was like literally $20. I wore this on New Year's Eve, but the only reason why it was uncomfortable because at the bottom here, like right here at the hem, they have sequins like underneath, and it kind of cuts my legs. Sequins in general are like pretty uncomfortable to wear. It was cutting my shit up, girl. Pick your favorite black item and your favorite white item. So my favorite black item, I've gotta say, is this. I actually bought this from BB before they closed all their stores. I'm so sad because that was one of my favorite stores ever, but this is like a jumpsuit. I showed this in my 10 shoes every girl must have video, and everyone was asking where it was from. It's from BB. It has like a sweetheart neckline, and what I love about this is because it has a high waistline and it ties in the back. It just looks really flattering on my body type because I don't have like really accentuated curves, I guess you could say. A high waistline where it ties in the back really gives me kind of accentuates my curves a little bit. And what I love most about this is that it has pockets. If you're a viewer of my channel, you know how much I love pockets, so it has pockets. Now, as far as my favorite white item, I'm probably gonna go with my Air Jordan 1s. I love sneakers and I love white sneakers. They're a little hard to take care of, but I do love white sneakers. Yeah, those would probably be my picks. And where do you shop the most at? I definitely shop the most at Zara. I'm just keeping it honest with you guys. A lot of my stuff is from Zara or Guess. And lately I've been going to PacSun a lot lately just because I love the brands that they carry. Like they have, I still have to do laundry, but I have like a red striped Guess. I think it's the ASAP Rocky collection that I bought from PacSun, which was really cool. So they carry some pretty cool stuff. They also carry like Adidas. They carry like some streetwear brands. So yeah, I've been going to PacSun a lot lately, but definitely Zara. Oh, I also like H&M as well. I go to Forever 21 specifically for like some like really cool jackets or things that I'm looking for that are very specific. Forever 21 just has a huge inventory of clothing, so I feel like whatever you're looking for you can find at Forever 21 and it won't be that expensive. But yeah, those are where I shop at the most. And that was the last question. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video was like super fun for you guys because it was definitely super fun for me. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time.